Hey, today we're going to make our very own dream catcher you can use to decorate your home, hanging by the bed so it catches all the bad dreams. So let's just jump right into it. You're going to need a wooden hoop just like that, and then we're going to need single twist cotton cord, a jute twine, and scissors, okay? Then we're going to need some clear tape and of course beads for decoration purposes with hair comb. We're going to take our cotton cord and we're going to unroll it easily. You want to cut up 60 inches long pieces. We're going to use actually 8 pieces like that in total, so take your time to cut it up. I'm then going to take out my wooden hoop and secure it to the surface with my clear tape, and then just take the cord and start doing what I'm doing in the video. Once we have 8 of these done on one side, we're going to actually start with the other side and just repeat the process exactly to get another 8 cords onto the hoop. Now we're going to want to just secure the cords to the other side of the hoop to start creating the dream catcher that we saw in the final result. We're going to repeat the same process with the other side of the cords to create another wall. Our dream catcher is almost finished. Let's get some jute twine, cut it up into pieces, fasten it to the dream catcher, and we're going to have a little bit of tape on the very ends of it, and we're going to want to just pull through our beads to decorate the dream catcher and just to make it look a little fancier. You can get creative here, you know. Also, you want to not forget to comb each cord. This will make our dream catcher look filler. We don't want to cut the very ends of it, just to form nice little shapes so that it just looks clean. And obviously we want to use some jute twine at the very top of it so we can hang it easily above our bed or anywhere in your living room, bedroom, whatever you prefer. As you can see, it's a beautiful decor piece that's actually very relaxing to make. It's quite therapeutic, so I highly recommend making it. Either way, for more crafts, please follow and subscribe and like this video. Have fun!